Turkey is home to high numbers of refugees and migrants. Hosting so many people and meeting their needs and those of the host population is a tremendous task. That is why the international community is providing funds to support Turkey in this endeavour. One way to do that is from the bottom up, supporting at local level. Local organisations and initiatives know the situation on the ground. They can reach the most vulnerable individuals and are knowledgeable about local challenges. However, there remain regions in Turkey in need of intense support and organisations that have not yet been able to access funds. This is where LIFT comes in. LIFT stands for the Local Initiative Fund in Turkey. It helps local initiatives respond to the needs of persons, especially the most vulnerable ones, to leave no one behind. These initiatives promote access to advisory and information services on where and how to get help, psychosocial support and counselling, referral to education, health, employment services, advocacy, empowerment and awareness raising for topics related to displacement and migration. The initiatives are carried out by registered small and medium-sized local organisations. How does it work? GIZ publishes call for proposals either across the country or for prioritised provinces. Interested applicants can submit their project ideas and funding proposals to GIZ. In turn, GIZ consults with relevant governmental entities and checks the quality of the proposals, assessing in particular their relevance, concept, priority, refugee and/or community engagement, feasibility, cooperation and network, sustainability. Uniquely, LIFT functions under a transparent multi-actor governance structure by jointly selecting the implementing partners. LIFT sets regional and thematic priorities and monitors the progress in collaboration with the implementing agencies, donors and main public stakeholders. In Turkey, LIFT projects work in close cooperation with the Turkish public institutions. What do successful applicants get in return? LIFT's funding levels range from €15,000 for smaller initiatives of 4 to 8 months to larger endeavours of up to €500,000 for 8 to 12 months. But LIFT recipients don't just receive funding, they also benefit from GIZ's technical assistance. Through trainings, advice and information sessions, GIZ develops the capacities of the initiatives at individual and organisational level, and it also creates a space for exchange among professionals. This helps make the initiatives and the people and organisations behind them more sustainable in the long run. After only a few months of implementation, LIFT has already become well known in the field. So far, LIFT calls for proposals received more than 180 applicants, applying for a total of more than €50 million. Following detailed processes, more than 20 projects have been selected and received more than €5 million. The projects are in many different locations of Turkey, reaching out to a variety of vulnerable persons, for example, working and unaccompanied children, survivors of sexual and gender-based violence, traumatized persons, people with serious medical conditions, disabled people. The projects ensure their access and referrals to healthcare, education, employment, mental health and psychosocial support and other services with a particular focus on protection. As of February 2020, all contracted partners reach about 2,000 persons in need every month. All initiatives aim at reaching a total of over 35,000 vulnerable and at-risk individuals in Turkey by the end of the project. But LIFT has the potential to reach many more people. LIFT calls have shown that there is a lot of potential at local level and a high demand for support. With your help, we can make that happen. If you are interested in learning more about LIFT, please contact GIZ office in Ankara or reach our project at clip.info@giz.de. You can also find us on social media by searching Clip Turkey.